What's going on, guys? I'm back today with my Thunder Tiger Olympian. Yeah, buddy, haven't ran this in a long time, and today I'm running 6S for the first time. I haven't ran 6S on this yet, only 4S, so got two 3S 5500 MAH, and they are 35C 3S packs. There's this cheap brand called Florian, which I've had great luck with these packs, so I'm going to take it for a spin on 6S and see what this baby can do. I'm down here at the local park right down the road from where I live. I like to run here because it's close and it's a nice little spot right here. So I'm going to strap the Run Cam 3 on my head and we'll go from there. Okay, let's go. I've ran this thing since, it's been a while. I think it was the end of last summer. So it's been a while. Right. I did check to make sure everything was tightened up good, so hopefully we won't have new issues. Alright. Good, guys. Thunder Tiger Olympian 6S. Oh my gosh. Something happened already. At least I was able to get it back over here. Well, I thought I tested everything to make sure it was tight. Apparently not. Let's see what we got going on here. What came loose? I'm glad I brought my tools. I did check that. Apparently I didn't check it well enough. So, if you guys can see, the holes down here, it's got two small Allen screws in there that attach to this rod that goes through. That came loose, so I thought for sure I checked that. Thought for sure I checked that before I came, but maybe not. Be right back, guys. Glad I brought my tools. If it happens again, I'm gonna have to go home and tear it down, see what's up. So let's go again. Whoa, check that guy. I think my low voltage cutoff kicked in already, because I've been trying to get it to run right, and those screws kept slipping. So I didn't have much run time today. We can try again though. Definitely not 6S now. Alright guys. What a beast. Alright, so yeah, didn't get a very good run on it, like I said, because I wore my battery down trying to get the issue fixed, which I finally did get the issue fixed. I figured out what it was. I've been here a good while trying to figure it out. I told myself I am not going home until I get a freaking run video for you guys. And I finally got it fixed, but didn't have much battery pack left after doing a lot of testing with it. This always happens when you run. Oh, that's a good bit of water. I don't think it should be that much water getting in there. I think I had my plug undone. Maybe that was getting something in there. Alright guys, so that was a quick run on 6S. Finally got it straightened out. So now they got my issue fixed. Everything's nice and cool in here, of course, because the water got in. Now they got the issue fixed. I'll come back out for another 6S run and really push this thing to the limits. But man, I was pretty impressed when the thing first started going. I was like, wow, this was the first time I ever run it on 6S. So you got my my true reaction to 6S right there. So anyway guys, till next time, the RC Element out.